Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to hide your home screen pages on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, in order to use these features, you'll have to upgrade your iOS to iOS 14 or above. To check if your iOS is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. After that, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And if you see any download or install button on this page, tap on it, and once you update your iOS to the latest firmware, you're good to go. To hide your home screen pages, all you have to do is long press anywhere on the home screen. Once all the app starts to wiggle, you will see this bar on your screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will show all your home screen. Unselect these pages that you don't want to show. For example, I'll tap on these two, then tap on the done button at top right corner. Once you do that, your other home page will be disappeared from the screen. Now to get it back, again long press on the screen, then again tap on this bar, then select the screen that you want to show. Again tap on the done button at top right corner, and you'll get all your home screen pages on your iPhone. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.